Want to do a reverse image search on Google but not sure how? We're here to help. In this video, I'll show you how to use reverse image search on the Google mobile app. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the image you want to search. This can be a photo from your camera roll, a screenshot, or any saved image on your phone. Now open the Google app and tap the camera icon in the search bar. From here, you have two options. You can take a new photo by tapping the search button, or tap the image icon in the bottom left corner to upload an image from your gallery. Select the image you want to search with. Google will automatically analyze the image and detect objects or text. You'll see a white box highlighting the detected area. You can adjust this box by dragging the corners if you want to focus on a specific part of the image. If you want to refine your search, tap Add to Search and type in any keywords. Google may also provide an AI-generated overview of what's in your image, along with helpful details. Below that, you'll see different results, like visual matches, exact matches, or even products related to the image. You can also tap About this image to learn more information. If available, switch to AI mode to get a more detailed explanation powered by Google's AI. And if you still have questions, use the Ask Anything box at the bottom to explore further. And that's it. That's how you can do a reverse image search using the Google app on your iPhone or Android device. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials.